Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to create this cool duotone effect in Photoshop. So let's get straight into the video. Duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to the adjustment layer and choose black and white. Change the settings as per your requirement. Again go to the adjustment layer and choose gradient map. Change the gradient to the blue tone and change the color of the left slider to black and hit OK. Again go to the adjustment layer and choose color lookup. Here change it to 2-stripe look. Again go to the adjustment layer and this time choose levels. Adjust the sliders. Now go to filter, noise and add noise. Change the amount to around 15 and hit OK. That's it. In this way, you can create this amazing cool duotone effect in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.